One. Hey everybody, Spracketech 248 here, and I had a couple individuals said they're kind of lost about what I'm doing, so I am going to rig some initiators, and let's get started. All right. So these are the banana connectors that I are talking about, and let's go to camera one. So these are, like I was saying, gravity check. Okay, blooper reel. And then I have these. These are the initiators. So let's rig a few up. Let's go ahead and go to camera 4, and let's start rigging. So I'm only going to do like 4 of these real quick, just to get the logistics of what's going on. Not exactly center frame, am I? All right, so fold the wire back a couple times. That's better. Now I have another process to tint the wire so that they have better conductivity. So what we're going to do is we're going to thread it through here, the stop. And we'll do that one more time. Now these are not polarity sensitive, so they can go either direction, anode to anode, cathode to cathode, and you can flip it over and it will not do anything. All right, so we'll thread it through here. I can't switch that while I'm live. Okay, and I'll insert it into these. And we'll just do 1. Maybe 2. And then we just, there you go. One's already hooked up. Then we'll do 1 more. A little wider shot. Okay. Give me some more slack. So this is Q2, in case you're wondering what the colors mean. And, ooh, forked it. That didn't happen during rehearsal. I'm just kidding. I'm totally organic. Those that know me personally know I'm totally organic. All right, yeah, we'll just do 2. All right, so let's say we got like, 30, let's go to camera 1. Let's say we got like 38 of these all rigged up and stuff like that. That's why I'm using the screwdriver, because you do all 100 channels at 18 Qs a channel. That's 1,800 Qs, and you're going to be with that. Your wrist is going to be hurting for a bit. All right, let's grab this. Go to camera 4. So we'll say all these are wired up with the initiators. So all I gotta do is, and this end hooked up to the firework, and all I have to do is just look at the color code, the queue number, the channel number, the box number, boom, and then plug them in. Yes, I can stack them. That's the nice thing about these. So if I need to stack one, I can just go ahead and stack one on top of it. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell. Thank you for watching, and I hope this will clarify how things are hooked up and stuff like that. So please like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. So I'm Spriker Tech 248, QRT 73s. Bye-bye.